أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
I seek refuge with Allah from Satan the outcast.
وإلى عاد أخاهم هودا قال يا قوم اعبدوا الله ما لكم من إله غيره أفلا تتقون.
And to Ad, their brother Hud, he said, O my people, worship Allah, you have no God other than him, will you not take heed?
قال الملأ الذين كفروا من قومه إنا لنراك في سفاهة وإنا لنظنك من الكاذبين.
The elite of his people who disbelieved said, We see foolishness in you, and we think that you are a liar.
قال يا قوم ليس بي سفاهة ولكني رسول من رب العالمين.
He said, O my people, there is no foolishness in me, but I am a messenger from the Lord of the worlds.
أبلغكم رسالات ربي وأنا لكم ناصح أمين.
I convey to you the messages of my Lord, and I am a trustworthy advisor to you.
أوعجبتم أن جاءكم ذكر من ربكم على رجل منكم لينذركم واذكروا إذ جعلكم خلفاء من بعد قوم نوح وزادكم في الخلق بسطة فاذكروا آلاء الله لعلكم تفلحون.
Are you surprised that a reminder has come to you from your Lord, through a man from among you, to warn you? Remember how he made you successors after the people of Noah, and increased you greatly in stature, and remember Allah's blessings, so that you may prosper.
قالوا أجئتنا لنعبد الله وحده ونذر ما كان يعبد آباؤنا فأتنا بما تعدنا إن كنت من الصادقين.
They said, Did you come to us to make us worship Allah alone, and abandon what our ancestors used to worship? Then bring us what you threaten us with, if you are truthful.
قال قد وقع عليكم من ربكم رجس وغضب أتجادلونني في أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما نزل الله بها من سلطان فانتظروا إني معكم من المنتظرين.
He said, Condemnation and wrath have befallen you from your Lord. Are you arguing with me over names, which you and your ancestors invented, for which Allah sent down no authority? Just wait, I am waiting with you.
فأنجيناه والذين معه برحمة منا وقطعنا دابر الذين كذبوا بآياتنا وما كانوا مؤمنين.
So we saved him and those with him, by mercy from us, and we cut off the roots of those who rejected our revelations and were not believers.